Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariam Abdulkabir. If you are following my articulate storyline series, you already know how to add text, images to projects in articulate storyline. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you around how to add buttons, how to add over states and visited states, how to link clickable layers, and how to link one layer to another layer in articulate storyline. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So you're going to come to the project you want to add. So you're going to come to the project you want to add button to in articulate storyline. So we have two ways of adding button in articulate storyline. These are the button, the button. We have three types here. Then you have custom made buttons that you can use shape for. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using this shape for my button. So I'm going to insert the shape here. Then this shape can be, you can give the shape different colors you want. So you come to the shape fill here. Then you can add any shape you want. You can customize the shape by adding different colors here. So I'm using this color for the sake of this tutorial. I'm using this color for this shape here. So you can customize. You can make it more longer. You can make it more shorter. You can use it the way you want it to be. You can make it, so you can write any words there, maybe learn more, start course, anything you have at the back of the mind that you want to add to it, so you can add to it. So and you're going to customize the words written there. Maybe you want to make it bigger or you want to make it smaller, so you can customize the word you want to add to it. So start course or learn more, anything. You can make it, you can customize it, make it more shorter or make it more bigger. Then after adding this button to it, there's another thing to do. Another thing to do is to use trigger to give instructions to this button. So you come to this place, click on it and create new trigger. Jump to slide, this next slide that you want it to jump to, maybe the next slide that you want it to jump to. Okay, when user clicks on it, when user clicks on this button, on this particular button, when user click on it, and before so that you not make mistake, you can rename this button in timeline. Rename your button in timeline to ensure that you do not make any mistake. Once you add it over, just over on it and rename it on your slide timeline. So you can rename it. So after renaming like this, then another thing, you can add state to your button articulate storyline. So this is where to find the state. Let me go back so that you all can see very well. This is timeline, this is state. So you click on this to bring it out. Then this is your state. So you edit the state, add another state to it. You can add a custom state and you can add state that is already designed in articulate storyline. So you can add visited state. That means when they visit the button, when user click on the button, that means it has been visited. So you can add a visited state. You can customize the visited state, maybe make it change in color. So you can make it change in color when they visit it. You can add another thing to your start course button. You can add another thing to your start course button and you can leave it like that. Then you can add another one, maybe another state, maybe when they hover on it, when they hover on it, you can make it also change color. Over, you add the over on it, you customize the over as well. You come here, you customize the over. Maybe you can make it like maybe white or any other color. You can make it, you can have it in like red or pepper red like this hair, so you can add it to your button. Then you already give it an instruction that it should lead you to the next slide when user click on this button. So let's quickly preview it and see how far we have gone. See how far we have come. So welcome to this greeting us. So You click on the start course.
Transport system involves
it's
all
over
organs,
on it, and
tissues,
it went
and
back
cells.
to the next slide. So that is the work of button. That's what you use button for, and you use trigger to instruct the button on what next to do. So you add new state here to make it change colors, or maybe introduce new character anytime you click on the start course button. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you in my next